Best strollers. Are you looking for the best strollers? In this video we will look at some of the best strollers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Thule Shine Stroller. The Thule Shine full-size stroller is designed to grow with your baby, offering versatility, comfort, and smooth maneuverability. Perfect for the first year of life, this stroller works seamlessly with both an infant car seat adapter and a bassinet attachment, sold separately, giving you a modular travel system that adapts as your child grows. The default seat can face inward or outward, so your little one can enjoy both eye-to-eye interaction or the excitement of exploring the world. Despite its full-size build, the Shine has a slim profile, making it easy to navigate crowded sidewalks, store aisles, and urban spaces. Its small but durable wheels handle bumps and uneven surfaces better than typical lightweight strollers, ensuring a smoother ride for your child. Comfort is a priority, with a 4-height adjustable handle that accommodates caregivers of all heights. The stroller's canopy extends low for maximum sun protection during walks, and the padded seat keeps your baby cozy. Folding the stroller is simple with the correct steps, though it may not compress as small as some compact models, still convenient for everyday use. While the Shine doesn't include a cup holder or snack tray, both are available as optional accessories: $25 cup holder, $50 snack tray, adding practical convenience for parents on the go. Priced competitively against other feature-rich strollers, the Thule Shine combines style, functionality, and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for parents seeking a reliable full-size stroller that can transition from newborn to toddler with ease. Number 2. Uppababy Vista V2. The Uppababy Vista V2 full-size stroller is a premium choice for parents who want a stylish, versatile, and fully featured stroller right out of the box. Unlike many strollers that require separate purchases, the Vista V2 comes with a bassinet included, making it perfect for frequent walks during your baby's first months. The stroller folds easily and more compactly than comparable models, and while it weighs 27 pounds, it's designed for smooth lifting and maneuvering. With a thoughtfully engineered build, the Vista V2 is intuitive to use and offers multiple practical features. The adjustable handlebar accommodates caregivers of different heights, while the extra-large storage basket easily fits 2 large diaper bags or all your essentials for a day out. The seat can be expanded with a second one, making this stroller a smart investment for future siblings. This stroller works best for families who already own an Uppababy car seat, ensuring full compatibility, or for parents who plan to use the bassinet frequently during daily walks. The Vista V2 has excellent resale value, reflecting its high-quality construction. While its seats are best suited for younger toddlers, the stroller's premium design, durability, and thoughtful features make it a standout in the full-size stroller category. If you're looking for a luxurious, all-in-one stroller solution and plan to use it regularly during your child's early months, the Uppababy Vista V2 delivers convenience, style, and performance. It's a splurge-worthy option for families ready to invest in a stroller that grows with their child while offering top-tier functionality. Number 3. Cybex Libelle 2 Travel Stroller. The Cybex Libelle 2 is the ultimate stroller for parents who value portability without sacrificing style or functionality. Its ultra-compact fold measures just 18.9 inches tall by 7.8 inches wide, making it easy to carry, store, or slip into a car trunk or airplane overhead bin. Perfect for travel, city life, or quick trips, this stroller is designed to go wherever you go, without the bulk of traditional strollers. Despite its small size, the Libelle 2 is thoughtfully engineered for everyday usability. It comes with included car seat adapters compatible with Cybex, Doona, and Maxi-Cosi infant car seats, allowing seamless use from birth. The seat itself is designed for comfort and safety, giving your baby a secure ride while you enjoy a stroller that's lightweight and maneuverable. The compact form does mean a smaller storage basket, but clever parents can still fit a medium-sized diaper bag or use a stroller organizer to keep essentials like bottles and snacks handy. The handlebar design is slightly angular, requiring a wider grip, but this minor adjustment is a small trade-off for the stroller's unmatched portability. Cybex also offers a dedicated travel bag, $40, for the Libelle 2, making it even easier to bring on planes or other journeys. With a range of stylish colors and finishes, this stroller combines convenience, lightweight design, and modern aesthetics. Whether you're hopping on public transit, flying across the country, or navigating tight city streets, the Cybex Libelle 2 delivers a compact, travel-friendly solution that keeps your baby comfortable and your adventures hassle-free. Number 4. Doona Liki Trike S3. The Doona folding trike stroller is a versatile, convertible trike designed to grow with your child from 10 months to 3 years old. Perfect for parents who want to keep their little ones engaged during walks, this trike transforms through 5 different modes, eventually becoming a regular ride-on tricycle your child can pedal independently. It's a fun and interactive way to help your child feel more involved while still giving you control and convenience. This trike stroller is travel-friendly, folding down into a compact size for easy transport. The soft carrying handle makes it simple to move, though the large parent handle must be removed for folding, with Doona offering a backpack accessory to store both parts. Its lightweight design and compact fold make it ideal for short walks, park trips, or quick errands. While the seat cushions are thinner and space is a bit snug compared to traditional strollers, the Doona trike shines in keeping toddlers engaged, allowing them to push, pedal, and ride along at their own pace. Parents appreciate the mix of stroller control and interactive fun for their child. Designed for convenience, adaptability, and early toddler engagement, the Doona folding trike stroller provides a playful alternative to standard strollers. Its innovative design encourages independent movement, helping your child build coordination and confidence while still enjoying family strolls. Ideal for parents looking for a multifunctional trike that combines the benefits of a stroller and ride-on toy, it turns every walk into an adventure both you and your child can enjoy. Number 5. Wonderfold X2 Stroller Wagon. The Wonderfold X2 collapsible wagon stroller is a versatile and family-friendly solution for parents on the go. Designed to combine the convenience of a stroller with the capacity of a wagon, this innovative stroller compresses like an accordion, making it one of the easiest wagons to fold, store, and transport. Its compact fold ensures hassle-free trips to the park, beach, or family outings. With room for 2 children, the X2 is ideal for families with multiple kids. Built-in straps keep little passengers secure, while the removable canopy provides adjustable shade to protect them from the sun. The canopy is simple to set up or remove, making it easy to adapt to changing weather conditions. Parents have found it practical enough to balance items like boogie boards on top while heading to the beach, maximizing its utility beyond just transporting kids. The Wonderfold X2 offers dual mobility options. A main handle allows parents to push the wagon comfortably, while a secondary drop-down handle lets you pull it along sandy beaches or uneven terrain. While the wheels aren't the fastest on sand, they provide sufficient stability for most outdoor surfaces, making it a great mid-range option for families who enjoy outdoor adventures. Combining a generous capacity, easy folding mechanism, and versatile handling, the Wonderfold X2 collapsible wagon stroller is perfect for parents who need a functional, multi-child stroller solution. Whether navigating crowded sidewalks, parks, or sandy beaches, the X2 keeps kids secure, comfortable, and shaded, all while simplifying family outings and everyday adventures.